Welcome to the course. So far, we have gone through a brief overview of Python and we have also seen how to install Python. In this video, we will talk about different types of development environments where we can write our code to execute. So let's quickly see what are the different types of environments available to write our code. The very first one is a text editor, which is a simply text editor where you can edit your text files. Another one is a full IDE, where IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. Now, a development environment is specifically designed for Python and it's used by large companies to write big programs. And finally, our notebook environment, which we will be using in most of our course because it's easy and we can see inputs and outputs right next to each other. Now let's explore our Jupyter Notebook environment and see how it works. To do so, you have to search for Anaconda Navigator, and once it's open, go ahead and launch Jupyter Notebook. So as you can see on this screen, this is Jupyter Notebook and we have the launch button. So just click on it. And once you click the launch button, you will notice your browser gets opened automatically, right? You will also notice that all the files on your computer are displayed in this area. Okay, so let's move to our desktop. And do we see Python here? Yes. So let's move into Python and let's start creating our first file. We will move to this new button, click on Python 3. And this screen will gets opened up. Now on this screen, from the left, if you start, this is the save button. This is to insert a cell below. For example, if I click on it, there will be a new cell inserted below the first line. This is normal cut, copy and paste. And this is just to move your cell up and down. For an example, if I'm writing print hello, and if I want to move this line to the second line, so let's click on move selected cells down and this will go to the down position. Now let's say if I want to write, or if I want to let the users know that I am displaying you print statements. So let's move to this drop down and just select a heading. The moment I'm going to select a heading, it's not going to write any Python code. It's simply a statement, English statement. So let's say I want to write, I am displaying print statements here, right? So it's just telling me that I am displaying you how to write print statements. Okay, and I've written print hello, and now I want to run this code, print hello. So I have to click the run button. The moment I hit the run button, it will display me the output. That's the beauty of Jupyter Notebook. This is the input and this is the output. There is another way of executing the code because you cannot go to this run button every time. So let me just show you one more time. Print my name is DK. Print how are you? Press shift plus enter and it will display you the output. There are many other shortcuts. If you move to the help button and press the keyboard shortcuts, it will display you all the available shortcut keys. You can learn as and when you get time. On the very top, this is my file name. At this moment it's untitled, but let me just rename it first program, right? Rename. So that's how we enter our code into Jupyter Notebook. All right, so we have learned the basics how to run a code, and now we will move to how to learn how to do Python coding. All right, so great going. I'll see you in the next lecture. We will start doing Python coding.